Hello everyone and welcome back to I Love EditorX. So today I want to do a special video to meet Satos, who asked me a question in the comments. Basically, from what I understand, he wants to build an e-commerce store, and he wants, in the product page, he wants to be able to add different content, dynamic content for each product. Yeah, something like this, and also suggestions for the individual page. So I'm not quite sure that I really understand, but I will show you what I understand, and let's try to do it. So he give me an example, two examples. So he said, check it out, 2 product page for same website, and I think he meant for same page. Okay, so because this is same URL and this is collection, man t-shirt product, and this is 2 different product page. So this product page contain the information of the product, and in the below folds there is complete the look, which is different content that it's related somehow to this specific product, and there is also a suggestion to buy more stuff that may be related or not related to this product. And we can see that in different product we have different suggestions. So I think this is what he's trying to do. So to be honest, this is my first time I'm dealing with stores in Wix, but let's try to do it. So I start building a site, and it contains a shop. You can install the shop from the app market. You can come here and search for shop, and there is Wix, store basically. So, and you can install the Wix store, and you can see that here it says installed. And another way you can do it, basically you can go here to store and add the store to your site. It takes like 1-2 minutes tops. Okay, so when you install the store, so it auto generate for you Wix stores pages. You can see here. So let's go to the shop. This basically I create my own shop page. You can see this is the live version. Look at this beautiful reveal effect. And if you like to know how I build it, I will. So tell me in the comments and I will show you. So here I have a collection of products. Okay, so let's go to so we need the product page. So if I click here in the Blazor, I go to product page. You can also change this name, I think, and also create a collection page. So here below, this information is come with the application. With each product have lots of information, and you can edit in the back office. This is the back office. For example, this is product, and you can see that I can add a lot of information about this product: colors, pricing, in stock, discounts, and lots of more information. So here we need to somehow to add more information specific to this product, such as, I don't know, such as related product. Okay, so let's see how basically the stores is built. So basically we need a way to communicate with the database of the products. And if I search here, I can see I have collections, and I have all this collection is related to the stores. So if I click the products, this one is the products collection, all the product that I have in my collection, but it also live, because I don't know how you can do it, but you can set product and not show it in your site. Well, I don't know how to do it right now, but there is an option for it. So this is how my collection look like, and I have lots of data, but you can see that I can't add more data to this to this one. Okay, so let's say I want to connect more information to this blazer product. So let's try to do it. So what I will do, I will create another collection, and I will call it products, and you can see that I have an error because I already have collection named products, but I will call it products extra data. Okay, so let's create it, and now we will have a new yeah, I don't need a sandbox, so let's remove it, because each change I will do, I would want to see it automatically inside the live collection. Okay, so product extra data. So the first thing we need to create a connection between specific product and to the extra product. So I will add a new field, and I will call it product, and it will be a reference to the products database. So in theory, when I click here, I should get the list. I can select from the list of all my products. So let's see. This is exactly what happened. So I need to add extra data to the blazer product. All right, great. So let's say that I want to let's think about it. I want to display related products, but multiple ones, right? So what I should do, I should go, I need to create, let's create another field called related. This is how you write related, I think so. Related products. Right, and this should be multi-reference, not one but multiple, and same to the products. So let's save it again, and now I need to display related product, and I will choose what is related to what. So I'm choosing that hoodies, jersey, shirts and shorts are related to the blazer. Okay, so now basically you can see that I have four related products to the blazer. Okay, so let's stop here and let's see if we can I will just give a title, so maybe I can, I don't know, I will give a title. Let's call it blazer. Okay. And now, okay, I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to do, but let's try. So I will go to the product page, and I need somehow to know what product, how to bring all these related elements that I just created in the database. So I think I need Velo for this one. So let's turn on the dev mode, and let's do it. Okay, I need this information to inside inside the product page, I need to know the information about this product. So how can I do it? So I selected the product application. You can see here the layers panel, the product page 1. Now it's display ID, but this is the product page, and this is its ID. So to see what I can get, let's say const product. Let's say page product info equals to so let's select this element, product page 1, and let's see what I can get. So I have here get product. So let's see what this actually does. So I'm hovering it and I can have read more. So let's see. So get product, get all the information associated with the current product. So I think this is exactly what I need. So here I have an example. So yeah, product name, product description. Yeah, this is exactly what I need. So you can see that it returned a promise. So I can say, you know what, let's make a function get product info. Okay, and now I will set let's copy this code. Okay, okay, and I will set all right, and I will set await and async, and this one should be let's return it. Return away. Wait, I don't. No, I can't do it. Okay, so let's. Why it says error? Oh, because I don't have such an ID. Alright, so return, and then I need to I will return the product. Alright, so I don't need this one, and I want to see what I get, so I will call it right here. So this one will hold the page product info, will hold the info, right? So let's console log product info. Great. So let's publish the site and see on the live site what I'm getting. So let's refresh. I got a promise, so it's not good. So let's try, you know what, let's do it much simpler. Let's say that way. Wait. I think it should work. What happened? You know what, let's go back. Let's do it this way. Let's call this function right here, and let's console log product. Basically this is the product info. Why? No, not return. Alright, we get all the information. Okay, look how much information a single item has. Alright, so we get, basically we need the ID. Why we need the ID? This is the ID. Because I'm going to collect the extra information from this product, from this collection. And this collection, how can I know what data I should get? Basically by the reference item ID. So I need the product. This blazer is when I query it, it represent by ID. So I need to copy this field key, and now I can set a function get related products. All right, so what this function needs to get, it should get the page product ID. Okay, so now I need to query this information. So let's do it. So let's import the service to be able to make a query. So it is Wix data, and I need to do something like this. Const query is equals to Wix data query, and we should query the extra data, product extra data. No, don't open it. So this is the field key. I will copy it and I will make it as a string here, and we should limit to only one results, right? I mean, it should be only one result, and we need, oh wait, we need it to be equal to, we said product, this is the field key, and it should be identical to the page product ID. And also what we need to get, the multi-reference items. So how we can do, basically we can call include, but I need the right field key. So let's make sure that I type, yes, this product, and this one should be related product. And by default it's not bring you the multi-reference, so I can set include the related product. Okay, and then I can set query, then query, why it does give me, oh, I didn't call find. I need to find it, and then finally find. Okay, and then I can set query, then we need to get the results, right? Results, and then let's set console log results, right? Just to see that we get what we need to get. And I will add a string here, the related results, related products, and that's it. But I forgot to call this function right here after I get the product. So I need the product Let's see how it calls right here. It's underline ID, so like this. All right, so let's try it. So basically in the live site we should get another console log with all the related results. So yeah, related products, we got items, and I have one item because I limit the query to one item. So this product is this product. It's the same ID. And then we get related products. We have 4 items as we put in the collection, right? So now I have an array with 4 elements. So let's display it. Let's see if we can display it with a repeater. Okay, I mean, this is, I think, the best way to edit. So let's put a repeater right here. Let's quick add repeater. Let's stretch it. Let's do it like this, kinda. So let's add some padding to the section so it will look better. So 50 from right, 50 from left. All right, and this is my item. I don't need a background, and I will apply a grid. I'm going to display an image, and let's say the product name and the product price. Okay, so I need grid of 2, and let's add an image. Sorry, I don't need a gallery, but I already selected. So okay, I need an image. I will drag it right here. I will stretch it, and then you know what, let's not stretch it. Let's make it 100 width, and let's say 350 height, maybe even more. This. All right, something like this. And now I need a title, and I need what else we can, we can see right here what information we get. So we get also description and the price. All right, so and the name. Okay, so name is hoodie. Okay, all right, so I have name. Let's add description. Let's see if I have, where is the description? I missed it. Description. I'm a product. Description. All right, it's okay. It's daily data, but all right. So let's call it description, so we know what it will hold. And and this one will be the product name. Product, and so they not overlap each other, I will make them stuck together. And this one should be 100% width, and the product should be, let's say, 10 pixel margin, and also 100. I will dock it to the right, to the left, because I like to work that way. All right, and let's make it Avnir, like this. All right, and I will make the stack element also 100. All right, and something like 15, maybe 20. All right, so it's look pretty good. Let's add some. All right, so I think it's look okay, but we have the product name, the description, and let's set the price also. All right, so you know what, I will make this one, let's set 50 pixels margin from 60 pixels margin. No, it's 70. And I will copy this one and paste it right here and change the alignment to the left. This will be the price, and it should be 20 from top and zero margin from the right side, and it should be something like, let's say, fixed width of 50 pixels. And I will change it to be smaller. You know what, let's say 60. How much margin we have here? 70. Okay, so let's be 70. All right, so this one should hold the price. I will make it like a dollar sign. You know what, let's say something like this. All right. Okay, let's adjust our grid. Oh, we need a button to go. We don't need a button, but we need to link the image to the right product, right? So let's see if I have something linked to the product or something like this. Oh, here, product page URL. Great. So we have all the information we need. All I need to do is to adjust my grid. This one should be max content, and also this one should be max content. Great. Basically, this one should be 24. All right. Why? Because some of the element will have a longer description, so I need the grid to look good. So just for the repeater to look okay, I will manage the items, and I will remove these two. So now I know I use repeater. I have one element, so if I will add 4 elements, it should automatically add these 4 elements because this is a repeater. But I need to change the because we saved 4 items, I need to set it to be 4 items. Okay, and I just changed the size because I think it's too much. So this one should be also 24. All right, it's just for the example, so it's not that important. All right, so yeah, something like this. I mean, this is much smaller, but you get the idea. Let's do it. All right, so let's try it. So we need to connect this information to the repeater, right? So let's create a function that says basically we need each time the repeater, we need to pass this information to the repeater. Okay, so what we need to do, so basically we can call here after we get the results, we can set just to be very clear, I will set const all related product info is equal to results items, and let's see right here how it's called. So this is the results, this is all the results, and this is the items, but it's have underscores. Why it's have underscores? Okay, so I need to call this way. No, items. Okay, results items in 0 position because we limit it to 1, so it's an array, so in 0 position, and we need the related products. So dot related products, and then we get 4 items, I think so. Okay, and then what we need to do, we need to pass this information to a repeater data. So I have a repeater, this one, I will select it, and I will change it to set related products repeater. So I am very clear what this repeater is doing, and then my code will be more readable. So let's say related repeater data equals to all related products info. Great. So now we pass this information. So let's see if it works. So if it works, we should get now 4 items right here below. So yeah, I got 4 items, but you can see that I get 4 items, but the information is not the correct one, right? Okay, so this is good. Now the repeater get the data, but it don't know what to do with it. So I will generate a function that iterate each item and set the information. So I have this event that call on item ready. So each time the repeater items get a new information, it could be new information or remove information or delete information. Okay, so let's do it. So all we need to do, we need to select the image. So this one is, so this loop is holding the item ID, the item data, and the index. So we don't need the index, but we will use the both item and item data. So item, and we select the selector for the image, and we will set image source equals to item data. And now I need to find what is the information that hold the image. So let's go back right here, and we can see that right here in related products, let's select one example. So I need to find the media main image. Okay, so each product have multiple images. You can see that right here we have multiple images for each product, because if you remember, there is a slider here. Okay, but the first one is the main image, so we need to display the main image, so the main media. So it calls main media. So that item data that hold the main media. All right, and also I will set the link to this image, so when someone will click on it, it will redirect to the right product page. So this is product page URL, so we need this one, but right, so it should work. And what else we need? Okay, what we need the title, right? So let's select this ID. This one is the product title. So basically I need to change the ID to product data, so I know exactly, you know what, let's do it. Related title. Okay, so I will call it, let's say, item related title text is equals to, let's find the key name, this one, item data name. All right, and now I need a price, so let's call it related price. So related price text is equals to, we have it right here, so discount price or formatted price, I don't know, let's select this one, item data formatted price. All right, and now all the only thing we need, let's change the image ID to related image. Alright, so now we're missing only the description. So the idea it will be related description, and I need to select the ID, the elements. It's right here. Alright, and the text should be the description. Let's find it. The description. Great. So you can see I have lots of more information that I can display, but I'm display only what I need. Right? So let's see. I think it should work. Let's refresh our page, product page, and voila, we get all the information. You can see different prices, different names. I mean, it's look too close to each other, but let's change the layout and make like a 10. But it's working. Pretty easy, right? So to avoid it that you see the image at the beginning, so first of all, the best practice is to make the image same as the background color. So I will screenshot. I will take a screenshot. I need a background color. Okay, so let's do it. Let's click change image, and right here I will go and took a random screenshot of the background, right, and I will upload it right here. And now the image is same as the background, right? So this is first method. The second method is to basically make it hidden. All right, and then I will call it related product item, and I can make it hidden on load, and then I can call it in the end and say, after I set all the information, show this item. So in combine with this both method, I think it's make sure that I don't see the flickering of the old image and the new image. You can see I see immediately the data I need. All right, I love it. So it's working, and if I click this product, I go immediately to the right product. But let's see if we can display here. You see right here, this is not the right information. This is not the right information to this product because we didn't set any information to this product, right? So we need, because this is a dynamic page, so what happened when I click here, the page is not refreshed, only the information is refreshed. So we don't know to refresh this information. So we need to handle this case. So how we can do it? We can add another hook, another event that call when the window is URL is changed. So let's search for this information. So we need the window, not window, location. I think location. So let's search for location. Sorry, this is not the right one. Location, Wix location. Okay, so on change, I think on change. Okay, add an event handler that run when application page URL is changes. Okay, so let's copy this one and go right here, and we need to import this. All right, so we have, and now I can call okay, each time the page is changed, I can call this function again. That's it, I think. Let's see. When it's changed, go get product info, and what it does, it's making the query and it get all the this should work. So basically, if I will go back to this product that I have the related information, I will refresh the page, I will get the right information. But now if I click this page, this no, it's not working. Why it's not working? Basically, let's see if I get error. Yeah, I get error. Why? Related product undefined. Related product. Yeah, this one is undefined, I think. Okay, we need to oh, because we don't have related product. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to add a condition. So we need to add a condition right here. If we can set if, I need to think. Okay, if related products in, that means I search for this key in this information. So if it's true, do this one. So now basically we don't need to get an error because it's happened only if we got some results. So let's refresh it. Related product of undefined. Okay, now we don't get it. So this is one step in the right way. And now we will get the information, but I don't get the information. This is weird. If related product and results. Oh, sorry, this is my mistake. All right, let's refresh it. Now we get the information, and when I click right here in operator and search. All right, so what is going on? Oh, you know what, let's continue. Okay, so basically I need to make this one, I need to we need to make the repeater hidden by default. Why we need to make it hidden by default? Query results. Basically, we need to say something else, I think. Length. Sorry, this is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm testing, you know. So let's see right now. Okay, we don't get an error, which is good. But let's go to another page, and if I go to this one, I don't get error. Okay, great, but the information should be empty right now. So first thing I need to make on change, I need to make sure the repeater item is empty. So I need to select the ID. So first thing, the data on load, it should be empty. Data equals to empty array. So let's see if this solves our issue. Alright, so let's refresh, and now it's empty, right? Let's go back, and now I get the information. So let's go to this. Nice. And also another thing we need to do, so if we don't have information, let's make this section collapsed on load. So this one is related section, and it should be collapsed on load, right? So it should be collapsed, and also on change I need to make sure it's collapsed. Alright, and only if the results, if item results length is bigger than 0, only then I need to expand this section. Expand. Alright, so let's see if it's worked for us. Okay, now it's collapsed. Let's go back, and it is expand. Let's go to product that we don't have extra information. It's collapsed. Awesome. All right, so let's do another test. Let's create another data for another product. Let's say for the shirt. Let's pick different items. Now let's pick only 2 items. You know what? Not 4, but only 2. So this one will be the shirt. We don't need this title. I just do it to be able to know what we are doing. And let's pick some random. Let's make 2 shorts and something in Hebrew. Okay. All right. So let's update, and it should, because I disabled the sandbox, it should automatically update the live data. So if I will refresh now, I should get here 2 items. Boom, it's working. All right, so everything is working. This is very nice. So let's go back to the product page. We get 4 items, and I will go to shirt. I need to get 2. Perfect. I think this is working. Okay, so basically we was able to create it, the extra information, and basically this is the same for different category. You can create another multiple or another field to hold another name, another category, and it should be also multi-reference, and you can basically do the same, and you can even connect it to the collections. So if you create a collections, you know what, let's do it. I'm just for testing. So related collection, and it should be a reference because collection is holding multiple items. So let's go to the collection, and now I don't know if I create a collection. Yeah, I have only one product. So if it's hold the old product, I can get the old product. All right, so if I will go to the product database, and let's see collections. If I have here collections, so basically if I create another collection, so it will need to be added right here, and then I can query all this information. You know what, let's do a test, right? So store product, I will create another collection to the blazer, and let's see if it added to the database. So let's say, I don't know, men. Okay, this is men collection. Save. Let's go to the content manager. Let's go to the collection product extra data, and then I should now have another options. Here I have men, so I can query in my code all the related collection, and also I can add any new information to this product page. So let's say I want to display, I don't know, a background image. Okay, so let's say related background image. All right, so this is the field key, and it should hold an image, and I will add an image right here, a random image. Let's take something nice. This is nice. All right, and I will add a different one. It doesn't matter, but you know what, let's pick this one. All right, so now in the code, all I need to do, I need to add let's say above this one. Okay, let's go to the section. I will create another blank section. I will add an image, and let's add copy paste. Let's make it really big. Okay, and it should say the related products, and I will add some dark background to the image so we can see the text, and it should be let's say this one. Right, so now I can reference to this extra data. So I will not do it very nice, but I will do it directly from here. So I know the ID is image x1, so let's call it image x1 source is equals to item data to results. Wait, the name is related background image, but it should redirect to right there. Let's see if it works. So yeah, it's changed the image, and if I will go to this, we should get a different image. Okay, so basically it's works. So let's go back to this one, and we get the right image. Of course, you need to handle this case to make it collapse if you don't have an image. So basically, we are learn that we can add we can add more information to each product page. I mean, how many information that we want, but we need to know how to connect this data through the extra data we created, the extra collection right here. All right, so I hope this is exactly what you need. Meet Satos, and I hope it will help other also. So tell me in the comments if this actually help you, and of course if you want to know how I create this reveal effect. And also you can see that this is actually connected to the database of the products. This is not a DAMI data. If I click the shirt, I will go to the right product page with the right extra data. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy it and you learn from it, and keep building amazing sites on EditorX. So till then, yalla bye.